Hey guys, it's your girl Meshewang. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome. Join the family. Click the subscribe button down below. Alright, so today I am going to be doing, every time I start a video I feel like I say alright, so today I'm going to be doing, okay guys, so I am going to be doing a natural makeup, simple everyday makeup look for you today. Yeah, I've already done my brows off camera. I'm wearing some lashes, some individual lashes, some fusion lashes. I don't know what they call them. Well, I don't remember what they call them, but my lashes are done, so I'm not going to apply any lashes. I am going to fill in like some areas of it with these sassy lashes. So that would be that for lashes for me. I'll be using, what am I going to be using on my face today? My Fit Me, because that's what I've been feeling lately. It's really lightweight and I like to use it on my face because I don't want for my face to be feeling heavy or anything. So that's what I'll be using. I'll be using my LA Girl concealer to both contour. I'll probably use my Black Radiance contour palette to contour and use my Fawn LA Girl Pro concealer to highlights. Alright, so that's what I'll be doing. Let's get straight into the look. Alright, so I'm going to start using my brush. I'm going to apply my foundation. I've already primed. I've used today I used my Maybeline Master Prime to prime my face. I must say that I don't really like using this, guys. I prefer my baby skin because this does not hold up as well as the baby skin. But I'm gonna go right ahead. I'm not gonna use a lot on my face. Because it's an everyday look. I think I need to pin these away. And I just when I'm applying the foundation to my face, then I just go over my eyes with it, just for it to act as some kind of primer for my eyeshadow, even though I'm not going to be using any eyeshadow today. Because I don't wear eyeshadow for my everyday look. Okay, dolls. I'm gonna be adding a little bit more foundation to these areas where there are spots, and then I finish up the foundation look, the foundation part of the process. I'm trying to stay away from my smile line with the too much of the foundation, because I don't want to apply too much to crease up too early to my smile lines. And definitely drag that down a little bit to your neck so that everything is blending. That's it for foundation for me. I'm gonna go ahead with my Fawn, as I said, concealer for my highlights. And I'm just gonna add that. If I find that I need for my highlight to be lighter, then add another layer of highlight, right? And I'm using the same brush that I use for my foundation. That's what I'll be using, or that's what I am using to apply my highlight. Alright, so I'm fine with this. However, I think I want my under eyes to be a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of my Fawn concealer. Alright, so that's good enough for me. I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour and then I set my face. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna be using this modern matte palette. I'm gonna be using this brown from the palette to just dabble onto my eye. Cause I'm not doing any eyeshadow, but I do want to have a little bit of color there. You know, like a caramel princess. And I like how this look on my eye, this color, when I'm doing my everyday look. See? Fill in this eye and this one right here with my, so what I do, guys, I just remove the lash from the pack. I usually just put them on the back of my hand and I go ahead like this and add the glue to it, allow it to get tacky a little bit, and then I apply. Alright, so I am done with that. So guys, all this while I'm baking still, I'm still setting, the powder is still on my face setting. I'm looking for a white eyeliner to put in my waterline, and then I'll go ahead and remove the setting powders. And there goes my LA Girl white eyeliner. Alright, so let me go ahead now. I'm gonna go ahead and set with my Morphe setting spray. Yeah. Let me brighten back my. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna be using my MAC lip gloss, and it is lip gloss actually. I had this. I showed you this in my Amazon MAC haul. I really love this MAC lip gloss. It's the bomb. Not to mention how great it smells. So that has taken over for my #1 lip gloss for at the moment. See how that look on my lips?
It looks beautiful.
The perfect nude. Thank you, my princess. Alright, so I'm gonna highlight my face, apply highlighter to my face now, and of course I'm still using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glowkit. That's what I'm still using, guys. Alright guys, so here goes my finished look. I am loving this look. My simple, quick, everyday face beats, okay? Check that out. Check it out. Check it out, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to your girl meshewang, and welcome yourself to the Wang Fam. Yay!
You just made up
Yay!
that song.
Yes, I did. Okay, so I hype myself up sometimes, guys. Remember, you know, you have to hype up yourself sometimes. Make yourself feel good by yourself. Oh, for my international people, make yourself feel good by yourself, guys. Remember, self-confidence is key. Self-worth is key. Believe in yourself. Have hope in yourself, even when nobody believes in you. Believe in yourself. My daughter told me just now that she is my #1 fan. She has always been my #1 fan. She's the first one to ask me for an autograph. Yeah, so I'm feeling hyped. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.